So guys, as you can see, I'm on Google Drive, and in this video, I will show you how to delete files on your drive. So here you can see I have multiple files. I also have a folder within a folder. So I'm going to show you how to delete all of this, right? For now, we are going to go with just one. And let's just say I want to delete this presentation. So how do I delete it? I can just click on it, and here you have the delete icon, or you can just go to the three dots over here and you can say move to trash. And if you're using Windows, just select the file and you can hit the delete button, and here you can see file moved to trash. So those are the three ways you can delete it. It could be for one file or multiple files. So how do you delete multiple files? So again, I will select multiple files by pressing and holding control. So let's just say I want to delete these two files. Now I have selected these two files. I will move to trash from here. So here you can see two items moved to trash. And if I go to trash, here you can see all the deleted items are here, and items in trash will be deleted after 30 days. So you have to make sure if you want to recover these files, it has to be uh, before 30 days. Once you have passed 30 days, these files will be automatically deleted. So you have to be wary of that. Guys, if you found this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing. So again, we are back to our folder, guys. So what if I want to delete the folder? Same process, just select the folder and delete, right? But if I want to select all of it, I can just select Control plus A, which is your normal command for Windows, and you can hit delete over here. If you want to delete this folder itself, you can go to My Drive, hit the three buttons, and delete from there as well. And all of these files that we have deleted, all of the folders we have deleted, by default will go to trash. And if you want to delete them manually, you can do that as well. Let's just say I want to delete this file. I can just select this file and I can, let's just say, delete forever, hit delete forever, and your file has disappeared, right? Your file has been deleted forever. It is no longer recoverable. Another option is if you want to recover it, let's just say I select document, I hit restore from trash, and it has been restored, right? And if I want to empty the trash, I can just hit empty trash and delete forever. So here you can see we have nothing in trash. And what happened to our file that we had just deleted? It because it has no folder now, it has come up in my drive. And here you can see the document itself has come up. So that is everything about deleting files on Google Drive, guys. If you have liked the video, if you found it helpful, drop a like, share, and subscribe.